Hi, my name is Kyle Barker with Apex Marketing Team. I appreciate you taking the time to come check out this video about our Predator AI Auto Suggests. We get Google, Bing, YouTube, whichever ones you prefer, to auto suggest you, your brand, your service, your company. As people are typing, it'll auto suggest you. You can imagine how competitive things like SEO, which is search engine optimization, has become. A lot of your search results when it comes to SEO are going to be like hotels.com, TripAdvisor. If you're in real estate, it'll be like Zillow or things like that, right? Realtor.com, not local places. SEO, you end up competing against these third-party sites that basically list all you and your competitors. To win on SEO, you have to spend a lot of money, a lot of time to rank on Google, and it can be very expensive. You have a monthly fee every month. And then if Google changes their algorithm, which happens a lot, typically every 6 months, Google's going to change criteria on what they're using to rank you. Maybe they're mobile first now. They're using, core vital metrics. They're using reviews, whatever it may be. When they make those changes, you could be ranking well one day. Google makes some changes, and then your SEO company is scrambling to try to get you to rank again, and you never really know consistent results. So that's SEO. That's the problem with SEO. So what we're trying to do is gain the client, the customer, the potential customer before they ever need to experience a results page. We want to grab them while they're searching in the search engine box. And the way we do that is through a very new technology. It's called auto suggest or search box optimization. So if you're an AC repair, HVAC, things like that. So what are some ones we've done that are in that field? So let's look at AC repair, and we're looking for Lee's is the client. Repair Phoenix. Oh, there they are. They already came up at the bottom. So you can see right here's our client, Lee's Air, right? And when you click on that, your results are 1-800-Cooling, which is Lee's Air. Lee's Air and Plumbing is 1-800-Cooling. You can see all of these are our client. And if you wanted to look HVAC terms that we're looking at, so let's go to Control F, AC. Yeah, you could see these are the cities that we've kind of AC repair on these here. So again, this sheet is not up to date. We built a new sheet that we're updating on which ones are on one. Clearly, we've done the Bing. We need to put the X's here, but we just did AC Repair Phoenix, and you can see us working on Google. But these are just some examples of the AC repair that's already sold. So if you're in those cities, of course, it's exclusive, and we can't sell AC repair there. Key here is making sure you get the right terms, the right search terms. You want to make sure there's a lot of volume in a competitive industry, in a competitive market. And that's what we would do on the call, is we really talk about the terms that work for your market and what you want to do. We're going to look at things like the volume, the trend, and the intent. We're going to do the research and make sure you get the right words. So that's auto suggest. That's getting Google to auto suggest your business and getting a 71% click-through rate. It's not SEO. It's a brand new technology, very exclusive technology. So we have window cleaners doing it, right? Gutter cleaners, air duct cleaners. We have so many different types of clients, drug rehab facilities that are clients because it makes sense. They get an ROI. So the way to figure that out is first we have to get on a call. We have to see what you're doing now as far as a marketing strategy, what you're doing with SEO, how competitive your market is, what is the volume of those search words, what are the trends, things like that, right? We have to get on a call. We've got to talk. And then once you have that word and it's available, all you have to do is pay a reservation fee. And basically what the reservation fee does is it locks that word so nobody else can get it while we're working on it. It goes on our sold list and nobody can sell that word. And once you're on there, we go to work. We go to work to get you auto-suggested. Again, Bing takes about 30 days. Google takes anywhere from 60 to 90 days. YouTube is about the same as Google. You do not pay while we are doing the work to get you auto-suggested. So when you do get auto-suggested, then you start paying, right? And it is a monthly service fee to keep that auto-suggested on that locked term. Now, what does that mean for you? That's good because you're getting the return by the time you have to pay for that service. right? You're already auto-suggested. So you're getting that 71% click-through rate. You're getting that traffic. You're getting those potential clients. You're closing those deals, and it's paying for the service. Here's the other part of the offer. If for any reason, and this hasn't happened yet, but we build this into the agreement, you will see this in the agreement. If for any reason we can't get you auto-suggested, we will refund 100% of your reservation fee back to you. So it's zero risk, 100% pay for result. If you have any questions, you can always shoot us an email, give us a call, visit the website. I'm showing you the website here. It kind of talks about the difference between local and national, common questions and answers, and then you can schedule a call here. You click the button, you pick a time that works for you. We'll hop on a call, we'll research the keywords, and see if it makes sense for you. I appreciate you watching this. Reach out. Conversations are free. This meeting is free. So go ahead and schedule a meeting. Let's talk about it. Let's see if it makes sense. See if it's available in your market, and start getting those results like we already have for so many other clients. Thanks a lot, and I hope you have a great day.